सेकंड डिव्हिजन आय लिगातल्या घरच्या मॅचीत डेम्पो स्पोर्ट्स क्लबान मणिपूरच्या नेरोका एफसीक 3 गोलांनी हरयले. हे सर्तीत डेम्पोच्या 6 गेमींनी 13 पॉइंट जाल्यात आनी ते पयले सुवातेर आसात.
आय लिगान प्रमोशन जोडपाक सेकंड डिव्हिजन सर्तीत बरी कामगिरी करची पडटा हे डेम्पोक पुराय खबर आसा आनी ह्याच नेटान डेम्पोन शेनवारा नेहरू स्टेडियमार पेजात खेळ केलो. पयले राउंडान मणिपुरान जाल्ले मॅचीन नेरुकान डेम्पोक 2 गोलांनी हरयले, पण डेम्पोन शेनवारा ह्या हारीचो पुराय बदलो घेतलो. 40व्या मिनटाक फेलिक्स चिडीन पयलो गोल मारलो. 57व्या मिनटाक शालम पिरिसान दुसरो गोल केलो. गेम सोंपपाक 1 मिनिट उरला तेन्ना पीटर कार्वालोन गोल मारून डेम्पोक 3 गोलांनी जैत जोडून दिलें. डेम्पोची फुडली मॅच 5 मे गँगटोक हिमालयन एससी कडेन जातली.
We are now 5 points ahead of them. So looking forward to have good matches because we are playing all home matches. I always say boys are in very good mood.
You are satisfied with this?
Definitely, though we missed many chances, but even then 3-0 is good result.
First of all, we are wrong was first a bit hit is a factor for us, and the quality of players, I can say Dempo is much better in terms of all are I-League players, ISL players, and we have few I-League players, 1-2, but all my young players are just to come out from the stage, and then they cannot bear the pressure of Dempo. And Dempo is playing very good, excellent football, and they overcome today.
मिनटा खातीर सावयो डायस.
कुंकळे चलपी अखिल भारतीय व्हॉलीबॉल सर्तीत कुंकळे युनियन आनी पंजाब पुलिसां मजगती फायनल जातली. पंजाब पुलिसांनी ONGC देहरादूनाक आनी कुंकळे युनियनान BPCL केरळाक मारले. शेनवारा राती फायनल जातली. मसल बेंच बॉडी बिल्डिंग असोसिएशनाची अखिल गोय बॉडी बिल्डिंग सर्त आयतारा सांजे मडगावच्या लोहिया मैदानार जातली. हे सर्तीत वेगवेगळ्या 5 गटांनी बॉडी बिल्डर वांटेकार जातले.
This bodybuilding championship will be organized in different categories, which will be in 6 different categories ranging from 55 kg, 60 kg, 65, 70, 75 and above 75 kg. And from every category 5 athletes will be selected for the award. And finally the champion of champion will be awarded to the person who will win from every first place winner.
Our association, which is affiliated to the Indian Bodybuilders Federation, which is recognized by the Ministry of Sports and Youth Affairs, there are several chances for our own youth, especially I'm talking about the own youth, if they participate from our association, which are the competitions which are organized by the Indian Bodybuilders Federation, and if they rank in that competition in their respective categories, definitely there are chances for them in the railways, in the services, all these opportunities are there.
हे खबराचित्र हांगाच सोंपता. ह्यो खबरो तुमकां प्रुडंटाच्या वेबसायटीर लायव्ह पळोवंक मेळटात. नमस्कार.